Welcome back to Science Explained. In today's episode, we'll take a deeper look at one of the most important concepts in physics, motion. What is it? How many types are there? And where do we see it in real life? Let's find out. 1. What is motion? Motion means a change in position of an object over time. If something is moving, it's in motion. For example, when a bus drives down the road or when Earth rotates around the sun, that's motion. 2 types of motion. There are mainly 4 types of motion. Let's explore them with real-world examples. 1. Linear motion. Movement in a straight line. A train on a straight track is an example of linear motion. 2. Circular motion. Movement around a fixed path or circle. A fan blade rotating or the Earth orbiting the sun is an example of circular motion. 3. Oscillatory motion. Back and forth motion. A swing or a pendulum is an example of oscillatory motion. 4. Random motion. Movement with no fixed direction. Dust particles moving in air is an example of random motion. 3. Key terms in motion. Let's understand some basic terms. Distance. How much ground is covered. Displacement. Distance with direction, speed. How fast something moves. Velocity, speed, plus direction. Acceleration. Change in velocity over time. If a car speeds up from 20 kilometers per hour to 60 kilometers per hour, that's acceleration. 4. Real-life motion applications. Trains, cars, rockets all involve linear or accelerated motion. Washing machines spin in circular motion. Your heartbeat has oscillatory motion. Now that you know different types of motion and terms related to motion, let's see how they apply in real life. When a rocket takes off, it goes from 0 to a very high speed in a short time. This needs a lot of force. The faster something goes, the more energy it needs. So, the rocket engines work hard to keep the rocket in motion. Once the rocket reaches space, there's no air resistance, so it keeps going up. That's what we call inertial motion. An object at rest stays at rest, and an object in motion stays in motion with the same speed and in the same direction, unless acted upon by an external force. Have you ever wondered why astronauts in a spaceship seem to float? It's because they are in zero gravity. They are falling around the Earth along with the spaceship. When they jump, they don't come back down because the ground is very far away. If you jump on the Earth, you come back down because the ground is very close. Let's look at some examples of circular motion. When you swing a ball on a string, the ball moves in a circle. The string pulls the ball towards the center of the circle. We call this centripetal force. Centripetal means center-seeking. If the string breaks, the ball will no longer move in a circle. It will move in a straight line. That's inertia in action. In a washing machine, the drum spins in a circle to wash your clothes. The motor makes the drum rotate. When the drum rotates, the clothes move in a circle. They don't move in a straight line because the motor keeps pulling them back. This force is the centripetal force. The centripetal force keeps the clothes moving in a circle. Let's see some examples of oscillatory or periodic motion. A swing moves back and forth. A pendulum moves back and forth. A spring up and down. These are examples of oscillatory motion. In these examples, the object moves back and forth around a central point. You can also see oscillatory motion in your everyday life. For example, the movement of a bridge when wind blows through it, or the movement of a guitar string when you pluck it. In many cases, objects move in more than one way. For example, the motion of a car is a combination of linear and circular motion. When a car turns, its wheels move in a circle, but the car moves in a straight line. The motion of a satellite around the Earth is a combination of linear and circular motion. The satellite moves around the Earth in a circle, but it also moves forward in a straight line. So remember, motion is all around us. It's how things move from one place to another. There are different types of motion, and we use different laws of physics to describe them. But no matter what type of motion we're talking about, it's always changing, and that's what makes our world so interesting. Like, share and subscribe to Science Explained for more simple science videos. Motion is everywhere, in nature, in machines, even in your own body. Now that you understand motion, in the next episode we'll explore something exciting. Newton's laws of motion. Like, share and subscribe to Science Explained for more simple science videos.